Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC U0146 indicates a fat can malfunction related to the powertrain control module, PCM, and the CAN gateway in your Honda Pilot from 2016 to 2022. This issue indicates a communication failure within the vehicle's controller area network, CAN, associated directly with powertrain functions. The PCM is crucial as it manages engine performance and emission controls, while the CAN gateway facilitates communication between various electronic components, ensuring data is transmitted effectively across the system. The failure can lead to loss of crucial data traffic, potentially affecting vehicle performance and diagnostics. In troubleshooting this fault, we will follow a systematic approach to identify and resolve the underlying causes affecting this communication failure. The DTC U0146 describes an F-CAN malfunction, indicating a communication disruption between the powertrain control module and the CAN, controller area network gateway. This DTC can be confirmed through diagnostic tools like the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, which will reveal whether the CAN gateway system itself has any additional DTCs present. If other DTCs are indicated, those should take priority in diagnosis, as they may lead to more specific issues affecting communication. The PCM, located typically in the engine compartment or cabin, is responsible for various powertrain tasks, while the CAN gateway operates at the interface between the bus systems, ensuring intermodule communication is seamless. When these components can't communicate, it may trigger warning lights or reduced vehicle functionality, necessitating immediate attention. Several issues may lead to the activation of DTC U0146. First, a defective CAN gateway can impede communication. This module is essential for coordinating data transfer among the vehicle's various electronic systems. Secondly, a malfunctioning PCM, which may not be responding correctly to commands or sending inaccurate data, can also be responsible for the error. Additionally, poor electrical connections at the connectors linking the CAN gateway and PCM can cause intermittent communication failures. Corrosion, dirt, or loose fitting might obstruct effective signal transmission, which would trigger this fault code. Identifying and rectifying these issues is critical to restoring optimal vehicle functionality. When DTC U0146 is triggered, several symptoms may manifest. You may notice a loss of engine power or performance, which is likely due to the PCM's inability to communicate properly with other systems inside the vehicle. Warning lights on the dashboard may illuminate, indicating a fault with the vehicle's electronic systems. Communication failures may occur, resulting in diagnostic tools being unable to retrieve data accurately, which makes it difficult for technicians to assess the vehicle's condition. These symptoms can greatly affect driving safety and vehicle reliability, prompting immediate inspection when diagnosed. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U0146 is to verify if there are any other diagnostic trouble codes related to the CAN gateway system by using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This requires connecting the HDS to the vehicle's OBD2 port and selecting the appropriate diagnostic function. If other DTCs are present, focus on resolving those issues first, as they may provide insight into the underlying problem affecting communication with the PCM. If no further DTCs are indicated, proceed to the next diagnostic steps. Make sure to follow this protocol carefully, as it helps establish a clear path for troubleshooting and effectively narrows down possible causes. In this step, you will perform a fast CAN circuit communication check. Select the function test option in the HDS and choose to conduct the fast CAN bus connected unit check. Depending on the result outcomes, you may find that the PCM is either available or not. If the PCM status indicates it is not available on bus A, it persists that there could be a deeper issue with the PCM or its connections. If the PCM is detected, it may signal an intermittent fault. Therefore, carefully inspect the connections at the PCM and the CAN gateway for any signs of loose or poor connectivity. If intermittent failure occurs, try to replicate the conditions under which the DTC was triggered initially. For troubleshooting step 3, you will perform an open wire check on the FCAN AH and AL lines. Start by ensuring the vehicle is in the off-lock mode. Use the HDS to jump the SCS Service Check System line and allow at least 1 minute for the test. Next, disconnect the necessary connectors, the CAN Gateway 16P connector and the PCM connectors A, 51P or 50P, depending on whether your vehicle is equipped with a 6-speed or 9-speed automatic transmission. With the connectors disconnected, perform a continuity test between specified test points to ensure continuity in the FCAN lines. If continuity is present, check for loose connections or terminals, which might be causing the DTC. If the test reveals an open circuit, an appropriate repair should be made to restore connectivity between the PCM and CAN gateway. After completing repairs related to DTC U0146, it's essential to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Start by clearing the DTCs using the HDS, which prepares the system for a fresh diagnostic evaluation. Next, conduct a test drive to allow the PCM to recalibrate and ensure all systems work harmoniously under driving conditions. During this process, actively monitor for any reoccurrence of DTCs or symptoms while the vehicle operates. If the DTC reappears, further investigation into underlying connection issues or component failures may be necessary. The goal is to ensure that the communication within the CAN network is restored and that the PCM can perform its duties without interruptions. To prevent the reoccurrence of DTC U0146, it is crucial to implement routine preventive maintenance measures. Regularly inspect all electrical connectors associated with the PCM and CAN gateway for signs of corrosion, dirt, or loose terminals. Corrosion prevention measures, such as applying corrosion inhibitors or harness protectors, can extend the life of these connections. Additionally, schedule routine system diagnostics with an HDS to proactively identify and address minor issues before they develop into more significant failures. Keeping up with regular maintenance not only enhances vehicle reliability, but also ensures optimal performance of the powertrain system, which is vital for your driving experience. In summary, the DTC U0146 signals a problematic communication path within the FCAN system, particularly involving the PCM and CAN gateway. Systematic troubleshooting steps are imperative to identify the root causes, whether they be defective components or poor connections. Ensuring that proper diagnostic procedures are followed allows for effective identification and resolution of DTC U0146 related issues. Furthermore, preventive maintenance measures, such as regular inspections and system diagnostics, can prevent similar future occurrences. By understanding this DTC and its implications, Honda Pilot owners can enhance the longevity and reliability of their vehicles, ensuring smoother performance and reduced need for unexpected repairs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.